Chile regrets panic triggered by mistaken tsunami warning after quake. Yes, well, they got triggered. The ministry sent a message to cell phones around the country urging people to abandon coastal areas, though the ministry later said it was an error. Well, quite an error after some large earthquakes happening in Chile. Authorities in Chile said Saturday they regretted spreading panic with a mistaken tsunami warning, calling for people to get off coastal areas following the earthquake in Antarctica. But they couldn't have been further from the truth, because there is a tsunami registering 1.2 meters hitting Antarctica now. Just moments ago, we got this intel coming in. A minor tsunami showing up offshore of Antarctica from the first major earthquake, but not expecting that quake to yield to tsunami risk in Chile, which is the 5.8 thrust fault onshore, not in the ocean. But there is a tsunami warning through for Chile's magnitude 5.8. They sent a tsunami warning for a 5.8 thrust quake on the continent. How stupid is that? But there is a tsunami that has recently, 4 hours ago, hit Antarctica that may be hitting Chile. Only it'll probably only be maybe 10, 12 inches. But this one was 1.2 meters. This is pretty significant, except that no one lives in Antarctica. So that's the good news there. So a moderate, significant tsunami of 1.2 meters hitting portions of the southern Antarctic tip here. So that's what happened from that 7.1, now downgraded to 6.9. Here's the Chilean thrust fault quake at 110 kilometers onshore anyway, that can't cause a tsunami. But let's see what caused the earthquake. There is a blackout zone on ACE solar wind here exactly when the quake happened. You can see a spike in dots up here shortly after it, but the quake actually happened right here in the black zone at 12:30 UTC. If we come over here to GOES X-ray flux, we can see what happened at 12:30 UTC. Yes, a solar flare coming from the sun in the magnitude of B. Well, we can just... Let me scroll down here and tell you what it was. It was a B3. So this B3 solar flare definitely caused this earthquake, nothing else. So the 6.9 magnitude earthquake from the Shetland Islands is being kicked off exactly at the same time as the uptick of this B3 solar flare. So there you have it. I know correlation is not causation, but tell me what caused the earthquake, folks.